Want to know why most traders fail? It's not the charts, it's not patterns, and it's definitely not strategy. The answer is trading psychology. And it's probably what's liquidating your account too. Here's why. I lost $10,000 in an AMC options trade because I fell into 3 psychological traps that destroy traders every single day. But that loss changed everything. It is why Market Mindset University was born. MMU is a 30-day trading psychology system founded on 2 core principles: practice with purpose, perform with precision. That's our philosophy. Use simulators before risking real money. Master your psychology before you master the market. Now, let me walk you through the 3 psychological traps that cost me $10,000. Then highlight the system we built to overcome them. That full system lives inside Market Mindset University's Trading Psychology course. Right now, founding members can join for $19.95 per month, or $149 one time, both 50% off while new lessons are still being added. Your price locks for life. Now, let me teach you what to avoid. The first trap: emotional trading. You see a stock moving and you jump in without thinking. You take a loss and immediately revenge trade, trying to earn your money back. Or you see everyone talking about a stock on social media and you FOMO into a position at the worst possible time. Your emotions are making your trading decisions, not your strategy. And every time emotions take over, your account gets smaller. That's exactly what happened to me with AMC. I owned 300 shares and sold covered calls to generate income. I knew the stock was going to skyrocket, but I tried to be clever and make safe income in the meanwhile. But AMC took off faster than I anticipated, and my shares got called away. I missed $10,000 in profits because my emotions overpowered my discipline. I ignored my primary strategy. Greed pushed me to sell the covered calls too aggressively. Hope kept me from buying them back when I still had the chance. And my lack of patience turned a winning position into a losing decision. This is why Orientation Video 1 at Market Mindset University starts with the Quick Start Guide and the 50 Trades Challenge. Once you download the guide, you'll learn the 18 essential bullish and bearish candlestick patterns, key terminology you need to know right now, and exactly what to expect in the next 2 orientation videos. Next, you practice with fake money, paper trading, until you execute a minimum of 50 trades, or until your emotions no longer control your decision-making. Practice with purpose, perform with precision. That's the MMU way. You use simulators before risking real money. You master your mindset before you master the market. Everything you need to know is in that Quick Start Guide. You can download it right now at mmufreeguide.com and actually study it. Every question you have on how to get started is answered inside our guide. The second trap: no system. You're chasing every hot tip you see. Someone on Twitter says, "This is the one," and you're in. Your Discord group is hyping a play and you jump without doing your own analysis. You have no consistent strategy, just a collection of random trades based on whatever caught your attention that day. Without a system, you're gambling, not trading. I learned this the hard way. I had no entry rules, no exit plan, no position size strategy. I was just reacting to whatever the market or other people suggested I do. That's what Orientation Video 3 covers at Market Mindset University, Trading Toolkit Setup. We walk you through the 3 essential tools every serious trader needs. Thinkorswim for risk-free practice. Build confidence before risking a dime. We use TradingView to draw support and resistance, spot fair value gaps, and plan your setups before you ever place a trade. And TraderView for journaling every trade and emotion, so you can track your performance, spot patterns, and learn from your mental mistakes. Together, these tools form the infrastructure for disciplined, systematic trading before you risk real money. This is not some generic setup. This system is customizable based on your individual trading style and financial goals. This is all part of your orientation. You get access to all 3 orientation videos when you enroll at join-mmu.com. The third trap: lack of accountability. When things get hard, most traders quit. When you have a bad week, there's nobody to talk you through it. When you're about to break your own rules, there's nobody to check you. Trading is lonely, and that isolation makes it easy to give up or make impulsive decisions. This is why Orientation Video 2 at Market Mindset University walks you through joining our WhatsApp community. You join our WhatsApp community where real traders share their wins, their losses, and their lessons every single day. You get access to trade journaling templates that keep you accountable to your own rules. You're not alone anymore. All 3 orientation videos are waiting for you in day 0, and you get access the moment you enroll. So here's what happens next. Execute these 3 simple steps. 1. Start with the free Quick Start Guide at mmufreeguide.com. Download it. Read it. It answers every essential question you have. The 18 candlestick patterns, the terminology, how the 50 trades challenge works, which simulators to use. Everything is in that guide. Practice with purpose. Perform with precision. That's what the guide teaches you. 2. Enroll as a student at join-mmu.com. Right now, we're still populating the curriculum, which means founding members get 50% off for life. That's $19.95 a month or $149 one time. As we add more lessons, that discount decreases. But your price? Locked in forever, even after the course is complete and goes to full price. Get everything: the Quick Start Guide, the 3 orientation videos, the 50 Trades Challenge, the community, the toolkit setup, and the 30-day psychology course. All of it. 3. Join the WhatsApp community. Get immediate access to real traders who are going through the exact same journey. Link is in the video description. Now that you know why traders fail, there are only 2 paths forward. Become an MMU student for a small tuition fee, or continue to trade blindly and allow the market to dictate your cost. My tuition cost me $10,000. So will you set the cost of your education, or will you allow the market to determine it later? Don't let the market decide your fate. Choose education. It's the smartest trade you'll ever make. Download the guide. Enroll as a student. Complete your orientation. Then, learn to trade smarter. See you inside. Market Mindset University's 30-day trading psychology course. We'll meet you there.